Hi friends, so this video shows how to get video and audio information using FFmpeg command line tool. So first we need to install FFmpeg. If you are using Ubuntu system, you can execute these commands, so it will install FFmpeg. You have to add a repository universe, then update, then just run sudo apt install FFmpeg. So FFmpeg 3.4 it's already installed in this system. You can see FFmpeg version 3.4. Okay, so let me show you how we can get audio and video and information using FFmpeg. So here you can see a couple of video and audio files. So these are the video files: MB4, MKB, FLV and 3GP, and this is the audio file. So I will show you how we can get the information. Just type FFmpeg-I, then name of the video or audio file. Let me first show you the video file .f 2.f. So here you can see the information. So you can see the audio information here. So the audio in this video, WAC and hertz and the rate, bit rate. Then the video format FLV1, the resolution, KB per second, frame rate, and all those information you can find here. So let me try one audio file. So same you can find here: duration, bit rate, MP3, hertz, stereo, and KB per second. So this type of information you will get it. It's very simple. So there is a lot of other options, like you can convert the video or audio to another format, and you can split the videos and you can merge it, and basically you can use it as a audio or video editor. So this FFmpeg command line tool will help you doing audio and video editing. Okay, I think you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment.